My name is Surak. I'm a Director of Infrastructure at Algolia, and today my responsibility is the infrastructure, IT, and security of the whole company. So Algolia is a hosted search solution. We provide a search API for our customers. Our customers give us their data, and they assume and they expect that the data is going to be protected pretty much at all costs. And that puts a lot of commitment on our side to ensure that the systems behave like they are supposed to behave, that the data is protected like it is supposed to be protected. We are trying to find ways how to increase the security without slowing the development process and not impacting the customer in the end. So the very first requirement that came was from the business unit, from our sales organization, that came with a request from a customer demanding, you need to have a pen test. And then throughout the time, the requirement was also from the engineering side to do the check, do the verification. At this point, it's the whole company asking for a pen test. The main challenge was looking for a solution that would fit our vision of how pen testing is supposed to look, because our great disappointment from before was a very traditional pen testing approach, a black box sort of testing that we had no impact on, we couldn't influence, we couldn't discuss. Just got a PDF in the end, and they said, this is your pen test, goodbye. And that was the moment when we started to look for solutions that have a different approach and what we thought would be a better approach, and we got to Cobalt. For someone coming and doing a pen test without knowing how the system works inside, it has to be incredibly complicated to test. While what we can do with Cobalt is to bring the knowledge from the inside back to the pen test and ease the job for them. The second one is the possibility to talk to the pen testers during the actual pen test. That's an incredibly valuable one because they actually can ask us questions and we can quickly answer them and we can say, yes, this is a great idea. What about focusing on this? With Cobalt, we can ask for clarification in case that we either find it maybe of a different severity, maybe we can ask for additional testing of similar endpoints that might suffer from the same thing. We can also reason with the researcher that there might be some additional mitigations that might lower the severity or actually might even increase the severity after we find that the vulnerability has scratched the surface. With Cobalt, today, the engineers are almost looking forward to it because the interactions with the researchers make them better engineers in the end. The researchers, in a very clean way, explain where is the issue and how they propose the issue should be mitigated, and our engineers then bring an input to the proposed mitigation in the context of our system for the benefit of our customers. So today, it's not a burden to be included in the pen testing program and to react on the vulnerabilities. It's what you want the pen test to be like.